Okay, and then we have this left side engine mountings upper areas. This assembly we have to take this 10 mm and 12 mm bolts away in here, that we can remove these electric cables in that below area. And there is also minus cable in this end area, but now we remove these parts in here, and there is also one minus cable what we take also away, but now we take these parts away in here, these upper parts in here. Okay, and this bolt 12 mm first, it belongs in here, good. And then next bolts what I need to open are in here, and there is minus cable in that area. Okay, and here is one minus cable 10 mm, and I open this 10 mm. Good. And now this cable, it's free. There is that minus cable, and after that I open these 14 mm bolts in that area. And 14, and this is like the first. There was nut. And also nut, and after that I noticed that in this side area we have bolt in here, that area. And now this is free. And then also this one. There is that. Good. And in here central area, there we have bigger bolt in there. And central bolt, it is 17 mm. Okay, and now engine starts to drop down, and that means that we have to now install some wooden logs in below of that area, because otherwise this part collapses down. And then we have one gearbox cable what goes in this ground back area. And it is like in quite far away, this sensor, and we have to open this cable also, and it goes in here. And this cable is possible to remove, so that we take firstly this part in here away, that part, this connector, and now I open this part. Okay, and now this cable is free, and then we have connector left in here very far away, and this is, when we look in that area, just in this connector, this electric connector is below of that area. We can open this connector in through this road, and next I open this connector. Final part. Okay, and this is like final connector in gearbox, and we have to really press this side and then pull out. There was that kind of connector in here. And next I have to collect these cables in nice areas that we can lift this engine and gearbox away. And now I am in left side and I take that central bolt away. Central bolt, there was bolt like that. And then I take more bolts away.